Congratulations on making it through to this video. Tragically, as we've seen over the last year in Electrical News Weekly, many electricians haven't been so lucky, with many dying from electrocution. Incidents which could have easily been avoided by following the safe isolation, lockout, tag-out procedure. This is a fundamental principle installed in electricians during their training. If you don't perform the safe isolation during your final practical exams correctly, you will fail immediately. In the real world, complacency can set in, leading to a culture of bravado in the workplace, where individuals flaunt electric shocks as a badge of honour. This culture has no place in the workplace. To change this shocking culture and help promote best practices, I have an idea that I'd like your thoughts on. In the UK, most electricians undergo an annual assessment conducted by organisations such as the NIC-EIC or NAPIT. This raises the question, should demonstrations of safe isolation procedures be included in these assessments? Furthermore, similar to practical exams, if an electrician fails the assessment, they would need to pay for a re-evaluation. Some people claim that this aspect is already covered in the annual assessment, a question I posed to the eFix viewers a few days ago. The answers were mixed, with mentions that they show their safe isolation kit that they've never used before, or simply demonstrate that they have the procedures in place without showing that it's actually being used on a day-to-day basis. I invite you to share your experiences or instances where there's a near miss in the workplace that transformed your perspective on safe isolation. September marks the beginning of a new academic year, bringing many eager learners into the electrical industry for the first time. One of the first essential skills that they will acquire is the safe isolation procedure. Why not reinforce knowledge they gain in college by refreshing your understanding of this critical practice? We invite you to undertake our free CPD video based on safe isolation with a link in the description. As an added incentive upon passing the exam, you will be entered into a draw for a chance to win this TIS Safe Isolation Kit. And even if you don't win, you can still present your certificate of participating electrical wholesalers to receive a 10% discount on your new kit. This offer is also open for plumbers.